frequency hopping spread spectrum. So the name is suggesting frequency will hop, will jump, will change from one frequency to another. And the spread spectrum is using all the frequency range, spreading it. So in frequency hopped spread spectrum, a transmitter hops the frequency, changes the frequency, jumps the frequency from frequency to frequency hundreds of times per second, as you see in the picture also. And it is quite popular in military communication. So if I'll just take a time, for example, 625 microseconds, just giving you an idea that this is the time and the change of frequency time. So as I said, they are very popular in the military use, military communication, because the frequency is hopping, changing. If one frequency is used, it can be found. But if you are jumping through the frequency, hard to detect and almost impossible to jam the signal, stop the signal, or destroy the signal. And because it is changing, it offers very good resistance to fading. As the signals, they may take different paths also. Different paths, different signals. That is, the fading is less. Multi-path fading you can talk about. And because I said this, say, if particular frequency is affected by a certain thing, maybe for jamming, or maybe it is absorbed by rain, for example. Now that particular frequency will remain unused, but because the frequency is jumping, that particular frequency will be only affected, other frequency won't be affected. So it also offers resistance to narrowband interference, as receiver will not be stuck on an impaired frequency for long because it is jumping. Now you see a very beautiful woman. You must appreciate her beauty and her brain also. Why I'm saying that? Because she is not only the actress, she is the inventor. First, let me tell you, this frequency hopping spread spectrum, this technique is also used commercially in Bluetooth, in the older version of wireless LAN, Wi-Fi 802.11. So this technique was co-invented by the Austrian-born film star Hedy Lamarr, or the birth name Hedwig Keisler. She was responsible for the development or invention of this. The story about her is her first husband. He was actually the armaments or arm manufacturer. And because they were in love, so she told him that, how do we block the radio signals? And these radio signals were actually blocked because it was used then for controlling the torpedoes. Now, it is underwater I'm talking about. Now, when she came to know this, she got very, very horrified, because when she came to know that his husband is selling the weapons to Hitler, she was horrified. And then she just left. She fled, disguising as a maid, came to Hollywood, and then she became famous movie actress Hedy Lamarr. Okay. Now she invented frequency hopping to help, and she actually helped the Allied war effort. Everyone against Hitler allied.